There are several frontline regimens of chemotherapy and IO that are now approved in the United States. For non-squamous, we have carbopemetrexed and pembrolizumab. For squamous patients, we have carbopaclitaxel, or you can use nab-paclitaxel and pembrolizumab. And then the most recent regimen to get approved is a 4-drug regimen: carboplatin, paclitaxel, bevacizumab, and atezolizumab. It's a mouthful, but that regimen is based on the IMpower150 study, which was looking at a couple of different questions: chemo versus chemo with IO. Also looked at the question of whether or not you need VEGF inhibition, and suggested that there might be something additive about VEGF and IO, which is really interesting and I think needs to be followed up on further studies as well. And then finally, the IMpower150 study was the only study to include a subset of patients with driver mutations like ALK and EGFR, and suggested, although it was a very small group of patients, but suggested that there was a benefit to chemo IO in those patients too. So a lot of interesting leads being generated from that study. But I would say in practical terms, most patients in the community are currently getting one of the pembrolizumab regimens, just because 4 drugs together is a lot. But a lot of further studies will come out of that IMpower150 data.